45 minutes. It's been 45 minutes since I put up that ARC B580 PC, and we already sold it.
Bro, the area that I recorded at last time, they fenced it off, bro. Can't even go over there. I'm trying to find a good place, like, without entirely doxing myself. Yo, what's going on, y'all? It's Team Mobile Flipping Central back with another video. Finally, an update on the series. I ain't even gonna lie. It's been 4 months. I just checked today. Today is August the 23rd, my birthday, right? Last upload for the series was April 23rd. Yo, my bad, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. The laziness was peak. Like, too much I ain't even gonna lie. I knew I was being lazy, but I was being too lazy. Getting back into the swing of things. It is now August, obviously, when you guys are seeing this video. So the whole entire market has kind of shifted a little bit. We're getting more into the quicker season. Like, my sales have been flowing. But yeah, in this video, I'm gonna go through, show you guys a couple of builds that I did, a couple of sales, including one that sold in 35 minutes. I know I originally said 45. It actually sold in 35. So, because I redid the math with my brain. So yeah, crazy, insane, bro. Got a lot of content for you guys today. Enjoy. And if you guys are new and you haven't watched any of the prior videos, or you just want, hold on, bro. If you guys are new to the series, new to the channel, whatever, you haven't watched any of the prior videos, then let me give you the quick rundown. So my name's TML, I'm now 19, and I flip computers primarily as my hustle. I just picked up a full-time job alongside of a PC flipping, but my main premise is to be able to actually build this up from something that's, you know, kind of done out of a garage to something that can be a full-blown business in the future that can kind of prevent me or allow me to not go to college. Cause I ain't even gonna lie, you know, I've been doing the classes and all that. I ain't really with it. As far as my numbers currently, we're looking at around 2,600 coming from my job after taxes. And then with PC flipping, I'm making around $2,000 a month. So pretty decent. But ideally, I want to have my PC flipping money be like my profit. I want that to be around 5K. And the reason why I set the bar at 5K is because that's what a majority of college graduates are going to be making these days. So, you know, I feel like that's a pretty reasonable goal. Obviously, more would be nice, but for right now, goal is 5K per month in pure profit. And I definitely do feel like that is achievable, especially if I keep going down the route that I'm going down, selling the PCs that I am. And yeah, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna show you guys the PCs that I bought, parts haul, everything that goes on in this episode, and I hope you guys like it. And I'm 19 now, so I might actually be on. Leave me a comment down below, subscribe for my birthday gift, I would really appreciate it. Yeah, let's get into it.
People, boys and girls, hey, we're on a little quest, right? We're embarking on a little journey, if you will. We're on the way to grab a Ryzen 7 7800 X3D and 4070 Ti Super build for $1,000. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this seller seems like a little kid. Sometimes in life you gotta take risks. That's what they say. If you don't risk, you won't prosper. If you don't risk, you don't prosper. It's only $1,000, so it's not like the end of the world. I'm gonna take you guys along. I don't think I'm gonna record when I get there, just to respect his privacy. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, take you along for the ride, and then we will see what the plan is with that.
All right, y'all, so as you can see now, I have the build back home, and very quickly I'm gonna run through. PC looks nice. It has like all dark rock fans, obviously this nice Lee AIO, no RAM as we discussed, and no power supply. And then it has the 4070 Ti Super, 7800 X3D. It's all in this 011 mini. So honestly, the plan for this primarily was to basically get rid of this 4070 Ti Super and then kind of upgrade it a little bit. So I am going to gatekeep a little bit because we did manage to find a little upgrade, but I do want to do like a whole entire separate video on this build. But yeah, the plan with this is to upgrade the GPU, obviously get a power supply in it, get RAM in it, and then do a little case swap. And I want to do a build in a case that I've never used before. So we're going to be using a height case because I've never used one. So yeah, super excited for this build. There will be a dedicated video on this very soon. So yeah, stay tuned.
You join me in the car. We are on the way right now to get a little deal. It's a 1 terabyte SSD for $32. Not too bad. It's brand new in box. The guy just said, oh, it just has damaged packaging. So on our way to go grab that right now. I'm gonna throw it in this build that I sold. I have 2 builds that I sold. I'm probably gonna hit Micro Center as well before I go home. So yeah, I'm gonna just take you guys along for the ride, hit the Micro Center, and then I'll see you guys in a bit. acquired a brand new SSD that looks like it's been run over by a car. Hey, SSD is SSD, bro. Good to go on that front. It is time to head to Micro Center. I'm gonna check the website, see if there's any good deals or anything like that. I have a couple hundred to spend. Right now I have a RTX 5060 and a Montec XR Reserve. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna grab those two for sure. But I'm gonna see if there's anything else that I really want or that's like on a good deal, on a good price. So chat, I ain't even gonna lie. Your boy got hungry, bro. Got shawarma and fries, bro. Finna eat proper when we get home. I ain't even lying. I just don't like. I don't like eating in my car though. That's the only thing. So it's gonna be a tragic ride home because I'm gonna just be smelling it the whole time. But anyways. When I get home, I'm gonna take you guys through the whole, show you the price I paid, all that, and show you all the parts for this new build. So let's do it. Right now, I know you can barely see me. I'm damn near blended in. But anyways, I got so much stuff in here. I'm about to just clear this all off so that way I can get this PC out so we can test it because it's sold. So I sold 2 PCs like I said in the car. I'm gonna show you both of them. One of them I actually already made a video on and it's sat for literally a month and like a week or two. So kind of crazy, but anyways, let's go ahead and let us clean this up real quick and then I will get back with you whenever we have the PC in front of us to test. All right, y'all, so we have the 2 builds right here. One of them is the 5060 and 7600X build that I did not too long ago. Basically, that build finally sold. I remember I posted the video, I believe on, it had to be like the 1st or like the 6th or something like that of July. And it just now sold on the 18th, which was, I believe like 2 or 3 days ago at this point. So yeah, finally got that PC sold. And then this other one is really similar. The only difference is that it is a 9600X and a 5060, and that is over here. I don't think I recorded B-roll, so I'll go ahead and throw up a couple pictures of it here. That one sold for about $950. This one sold for $900. This one is gonna be really expensive and it's not gonna make me that much profit, but it is kind of a big sale because that one actually came from a guy that I found on TikTok, and he actually also made a post on Reddit. So if you guys don't know already, I do make TikToks. I have my own personal TikTok page, TML PCs. I'll go ahead, I'll link that down below. But he was actually a viewer of those channels and he posted on the Reddit r/pre-builds and he was like, hey, is TML PCs legit? And ended up, you know, reaching out to me on Java. He actually ended up buying the PC on Java. Originally it was supposed to be a sale on the website, but it's fine. Obviously we still love a sale. So yeah, making sure I'm gonna do everything in my power to make sure that we get a good review there. Obviously on every other build that I do the same, but this one means a lot to me. So the profit is gonna be kind of buns. But yeah, I'm just gonna, you know, run like a quick Furmark, quick Prime 95, and then call it a day, make sure the system is running smooth. So let's do it. That black PC ended up having a little bit of an issue. So I was trying to install Windows, everything like that. I thought maybe the SSD was like messed up or something like that because it wouldn't let me install. The RAM that I had in there was like a little bit questionable, so we had to cop some new RAM. So I think that should be the issue. This PC was supposed to ship yesterday. It's been, I think I'm on like my 4th day. We have secured the goods to Best Buy. I'm about to go ahead, install this RAM, make sure everything is good with that PC, and then get it shipped. The other PC I already went through and packed it up. So the white one, installed all the updates, installed the drivers, everything like that. And that PC is good to go, but yeah, this one is giving me a couple of issues. So as soon as I get it sorted out, I'll take you guys through the packing process and we can get that one shipped out. We have PC 7600X 5060. We have our new kit of Crucial RAM in here. And right now we are resetting this PC. So I just installed Windows. I had to make sure like get it activated and all that. So that's why I went in, put on the drivers, you know, essentially like activated Windows, all that, did a couple tests, everything rang. All right, there we go. PC is reset. So I'm going to go ahead, obviously throw this Instapack inside and then finish up taping up the box, getting all these corner protectors on there. So let's do that. Another part method is that you put corner protectors on the inside of the box as well. So yeah, I do have high hopes for this, but we shall see. We shall see. I will let you know.
in a little quick start guide, and as well our baggie. We should be good to go. And then got a little bit of extra foam. That is where, essentially where like the glass panel and the case itself meet. I didn't design this, Asus did, so go ahead, slap that in there. And we got our 4 corner protectors, and we are good to go. Alright y'all, so both of the PCs are now packed up. I'm gonna go ahead and get them in the car, get them shipped out, and then I'm gonna go over everything that we got from Micro Center. Alright y'all, so we have a little haul here from Micro Center. Bought a handful of things. We got 2 graphics cards, power supply, motherboard, CPU, and then a case. There's also a cooler. That was just an Amazon package to kind of complete this build that we have here in front of us. But I'm gonna go ahead, run through all the parts that we got and the prices that we paid. Now, some of these are insane, some of these are terrible. So get ready for that. As far as our case, right here we have a Montec XR in white. Paid $48.96 for that. All reliable. This one did come from Amazon. It's a Thermalright 240mm. Paid like $44 for that. And then for our CPU that we bought, we have a Ryzen 5 8400F. Paid $58.96. We have an RTX 5060. Paid $223 for this before tax. All these prices I'm saying, by the way, are before tax. We actually have a new competitor. We have the Arc B580. Now, I've actually tried flipping with this once. I don't think I made any videos on it, but this one is a ASRock Steel Legend. The last one that I got was basically like the reference edition. And for this Steel Legend, I paid 215 bucks. Next up for our power supply, we have a 500 watt white power supply with white cables, and I paid $50 for it. I'm not gonna explain further. We got to take into account the convenience, no cable extensions, and the CPU was mad cheap. It's basically like I paid, you know, 80 bucks for the 8400F, and now I paid 30s for the power supply. Next up for the motherboard, or last up actually, we got a Gigabyte B650 Gaming X. Paid 100 bucks for this, refurbished. Let's go ahead, immediately just get down the building, so that way we can go ahead and get it listed. And yeah.
Up until I feel weak, like I don't know what I'm made of. Feel lost, like I don't know where I came from. Trapped in the night, man, can't wake up. Wanna run, but don't know who I'm afraid of. Is the enemy inside or out? I doubt I can afford to figure this out later. So we joust to one of us is ousted and reveal this traitor or savior. Is it my destiny to let defeat get the best of me, or gather what's left of me? Stand and secure my legacy. Cause we all fair, we all fall. Will you lie there or stand tall? Cause we all fair.
Alright, I ain't even gonna lie. Guys, it's been 45 minutes. 45 minutes. It's been 45 minutes since I put up that Arc B580 PC, and we already sold it. Crazy, bro. Crazy, bro. Crazy. Cause last time I did a B580 PC, bro, sat on it for like 3 weeks. No bite, bro. 45 minutes. I listed it at $12.39. At $114, it sold. That's crazy, bro. But hey, you know, I ain't even lie. I went to Come and Pray, bro. I came out, PC was sold. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say about that, but take that for what you will. Right now, I gotta go to work. I'm already late, I'm pretty sure, but we're on the way to work in a great mood, in an absolutely elite mood. So, very, very happy, very grateful. So yeah, boys, let's just go ahead, man, keep it pushing. But yeah, that's up to like 5K for the month or whatever. That PC is around, I want to say like 250 profit, so nothing too insane, but like honestly, like 45-minute sale, crazy, bro. I'll show you guys the listing as well after my shift, just because I'll like show you the way that I set it up. Like, it's really nothing crazy, but yeah, 45-minute sale, bro. Insane.
All right, y'all, I ain't even gonna lie. you guys are gonna get another one of these clips because you know, it's 9 p.m. and this video is supposed to go out today. Anyways, as far as the listing, I'm gonna go ahead and let me pull it up real quick so I can show it to you guys. All right, so as you can see, pretty much the exact same as the one that I always use. Good for running titles. I put Valorant, GTA 5, Fortnite, Call of Duty, 1440p, 140 FPS. Now that's honestly probably an overstatement for a PC of these specs, but yeah. And then I just went ahead and listed off the specs. So the full spec sheet was actually a Ryzen 5 8400F, B650, 240mm AIO, 32GB of RAM, 1TB SSD, B580, 500 watt, 80 plus power supply, and then the Montech XR and Windows 11 pre-installed. So yeah, pretty simple. And there you can see, item is sold out. Honestly, pricing was a little bit bad. It was high in my opinion, especially for like considering the 8400F. 929 is a little bit high, but I kind of cooked it on the price, bro. I thought my build cost was gonna be way lower, but I just kind of overspent. Like I walked into Micro Center, I was like, let me just get this so that I can list up the PC, you know, quickly. And obviously that worked out pretty well in my favor. But as far as the costs, now this is the full cost. You guys can pause here if you want to read it all, but our full cost including the shipping label came out to $700.15, and our profit came out to $200.74. So $200 profit, pretty good. Honestly, overall, super happy with it. Buyer was cool. Literally never talked to him. Honestly, it was a guest job also. Take that for what you will. But yeah, already got my payout. We're good there. And yeah, so honestly, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all that I have for this episode. Stay tuned. That 7800 X3D build is going to be on the channel soon. I also have a 9070 XT build coming up pretty soon as well. So yeah, content has been kind of slowing down, like I said in my last episode, because, you know, job. But yeah, I'm trying to continue to be consistent, continue to improve the schedule, and we have yams coming back very soon. So stay tuned. If you guys are new to the channel, please do subscribe. Right now we're sitting at like 10% of the viewers actually subscribe, so I would appreciate you guys if you hit that subscribe button and let me know what you thought of the video down below. Pretty happy to be back on the good old series, and I will be consistently trying to hit at least one upload per month of this series, so you guys can hold me to it. Anyways, I got some editing to do. This video that you're watching right now, go back to editing it, and yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next uploads. Join the Discord server, leave a comment down below, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.